What is a monomial? A monomial is a type of expression. A monomial is an expression that may contain a number called the coefficient and one or more variables raised to positive integer powers. Positive integers, so no negative integers, no fractions. And finally contains no operations other than multiplication. So for example, the following expressions are monomials. 2x squared, no problem. 1/3 x squared y. The 1/3 might give you pause, but remember, 1/3 is just a number. Likewise, root 2 is just a number. -2 and 0, variables are not required. -3/7, a cubed b squared. X doesn't have to be one of the variables. Just x squared y. No coefficient is required. If there's no coefficient, we pretend that there's a coefficient of 1 for our future purposes. And if a variable to the 0th power appears, like say x to the 0, y to the 0, or so on, we simplify it to 1. Right? We say x to the 0 is probably 1. Any number to the 0th power is 1, so long as the number is not itself 0. We simplify variables to the 0th power away. Okay, so what are some things that are not monomials? Obviously, something that contains addition is not a monomial. Something that contains a negative power of a variable, not a monomial. Something that includes division by a variable, not a monomial. Something that includes a square root, not a monomial. In order to be a monomial, we can only contain positive integer powers of our variables, and we can't have any addition or division or any of that kind of funny business.